Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a large frying pan, add 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Add a tortilla to the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 seconds. Lift up the tortilla with a spatula and another tortilla underneath. Cook for 2 to 3 seconds. Lift again, both tortillas, and add another tortilla underneath. Repeat the process with all the tortillas, adding a little more oil if needed. This way, you can brown and soften the tortillas without using a lot of fat. You do this process to develop the flavor of the tortillas. As the tortillas brown a little, remove from the pan one by one to rest on a paper towel, which absorbs any excess fat. Okay.
My wonderful mamacita. That food smells so delicious. How are you doing today? Yeah,
Yes, my darling. I'm cooking one of the traditional Mexican food, and I hope it's good.
So what is the next step on the preparation of the enchiladas?
Well, you have to saute the chopped onion and garlic. Then turn off the heat. Add 1 cup of salsa. Dissolve 3 tablespoons of tomato paste in 1 cup of water. Add to pan. Add 1 cup of crushed fire roasted canned tomatoes. Taste. If the sauce tastes too vinegary, add a teaspoon of sugar. And by the way, I'm inviting John over for lunch. He's a good friend of mine.
What?
And I was supposed to marry him.
I hate that man! Oh, but it's okay with me. But if he tries to do something, or even does something, I'll kill him! I'll kill him!
Relax! He's not going to bother us. He's just coming to see us since we haven't seen each other in a long time.
Oh, oh, terrible things are going to happen to you. Very terrible things. You better watch out.
Go away! I don't need you right now!
Be careful, because you will be really punished for your betrayal to your sister and for killing her daughter.
Go away right now! I don't need you now!
Put some olive oil on the bottom of a large casserole pan. Take a tortilla, cover 2/3 of it lightly with the shredded cheese. Then, roll up the tortilla and place it in the casserole pan. Continue until all tortillas are filled and good. Add sauce on the top of the tortillas in the casserole pan. Make sure all are covered with the sauce. If not, add a little water. Cover the whole thing with the rest of the grated cheese. Put the casserole in the oven for 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Garnish with cilantro and sour cream. Serve with sliced iceberg lettuce that has been dressed only with a little vinegar and salt. Hello, I'm here. Long time no see.
I'm glad you could make it. I miss you so much.
Hey, John, how are you?
Hi, fine. Nice to see you.
I made enchiladas. I hope you like them.
Yes, I love enchiladas, and I think now would be a good time to tell you. I'm moving to San Antonio.
Don't leave. I miss you so much.
I'll be right back. I'm going to get something from outside.
Now that he's gone, I'd like to ask you something. Why did you leave me? I thought we were meant to be something.
I was so confused. I love you so much. And I desire you as well.
Yes, I wish we could become one.
Hey,
Enchilada and Rosaura. Now you cheated on me. You should have never done that. You should have think twice after doing that. Now you're gonna pay.
No, Pedro! Pedro, I love you!
Now, before I die, I will eat this delicious enchilada.